Okay, it's recording.
Introduce it. This is how you take it in air conditioner out Sam way. Are you ready?
Oh, it's going. Wow, this feels good.
That is how you get it done!
Let's go look at it.
How do you...
And we're going to go look at it.
Oh my. I think we might have broke the window.
Yeah. Might need a new window.
I believe we broke the window.
Here's our air conditioner.
That was useful at one point. Actually, it still works, but it's ugly, so I
I think
don't
we'll
care.
make a chair.
We may make a chair out of it.
What do you think?
The end.